Hello and welcome to another lecture in Gitness course series by TechLatest.net. So for we had covered a lot of things like Gitness overview, then setup installation of Gitness on various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Now in this video, we'll talking about like what is Gitness UI, and we'll also explore the Gitness UI. I will show you how you sign up and like what are the features of Gitness UI. Okay, so when you are an individual contributor or working in a team, mastering the Gitness UI can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. So, when you first log in into Gitness, you are presented with the dashboard, the main hub for all your activities, like the main components of the dashboards, like repositories list, activity feed. So, all your current projects are visible here, basically in repositories list, allowing you quick access to your work. Then, if you're talking about activity feed, so view recent activities like code commits, merges, and comments in chronological timeline. Quick actions, a set of tools to create a new repository, search for issues or clone projects with a single click. The goal of the dashboard is to provide an at a glance overview of your work and keep your update on the latest project activities. So let's sign up with an user. Okay, so here you can give user ID, give any user ID, basically demo 2. Okay, so this is our user ID, give email. So email, I will give email here. Okay, so give email, and then after this you can see that I will give the email and then give password here. Okay, so give password, then again confirm your password. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully give email and enter user ID and give password. And now you have to click on sign up button. After this, you can see the message that user was created here. Okay, and you can log in the Gitness UI. And here you can see that the we have successfully logged in Gitness UI. Welcome demo 2. Let's get you started with Gitness. Okay, project contains your repositories and pipelines. Create a new project to get started with Gitness. Here you can see the profile overview of your profile overview, what is the email and other things, what is the username. Then here you can see the select project here. If you want to create a new project, so click on new project button, then enter the name. For suppose, for example, I am creating a new project. Okay, so the project name is dummy, and again XYZ is the description. So click on create project. So it will create the project here. Okay, and this is your project. If you click on this project, so it will load your all the repositories and all the things. Git space here, you can see the Git space and other things. This is basically the get started now button, learn more about Git space. If you click on learn more about Git space, so it will open your docs, basically the harness docs about all the things like what actually is the Git space and all the things. Okay, then if you click on secret, so it will open something like there are no secret here. If you want to create a new secret or if you want to create anything, so you can create from here. If you want to check the members, so here you can see the owner, and like I'm uh, uh, login as an owner. Okay, admin basically. If you want to add member, so click on add member button, select user. Okay, so these are some users I am already creating here. So if you like make any user as admin, so you can create click on this user, and row you can give role like reader, executor, contributor, owner. Okay, so I am giving owner owner role to this user. Okay, and click on add member to this project. Okay, so if you like when you added this basically this user as an give role as owner, so you can see the email and other things here. Okay, so this is the email. I am hiding this email because, and if you want to remove member or change the role, so you can change from here. Same here. Then if you go on settings, so here you can see the change the description and other things like this. You can change from here. If you want to delete this project, you can delete this project from here. Okay, so I am deleting this project. Okay, so I want to confirm type dummy. So simply you can type dummy and you can delete this project. So in this way you can delete the project here. Then again, if you not found, because we have deleted this project. Now again go on Gitness and create new project here. Okay, so my project name is uh, uh, demo purpose. Okay, so this is our project name, and give description something anything. Okay, and click on create project. So it will create a new project. Here you can see the git space repositories. If you want to add repository, you can add repositories here, enter a description, and what you have to do, like for example, name a repository name. So give git uh, demo is the repository name. Enter description, anything here. Your repository will initialize with the main branch. Okay, and then if you want to make public or private, so choose option according to your preference, then select license, then select git ignore or anything, and add a readme file. Okay, and create repositories. So if you so here you can see that we have successfully created our repository now, and here you can see the commits, and if you click on commit, so here you can see the commits branches here, then tags. It is something like GitHub. If you know about GitHub, then the Gitness is very easy to understand. Okay, if we click on pull request, we can see a lot of things like authors and other things. Okay, and the merge things, the close things, and all the things. If you want to click on new pull request, so you can create a pull request from here. You can select a branch from here, and then you can create a pull request from here. Okay. So then if you click on Bavuk, so here you can see a lot of things. If you want to create a new Bavuk, so you can click on this button, and from this way you can create a Babuk. And if you click on pipeline, so here you can see the new pipeline button also. If you want to create a pipeline, so you can create like you can name your pipeline and create from here. Okay, then again settings same, then git space, then secrets and all the things same. Here it is the user profile. Okay, this is here you can see the members and other things. Okay, and if you want to add members, same, you can do same things. I will tell you in the starting in the video that how you make members. This is our repository and it is private. If you want to make it public, so you can make it public for like I will show you already, like how you make repository public and private. So basically this is the UI of the Gitness. Okay, like this is the repository, this is the projects and all the things. This is same as the GitHub, but yeah, Gitness is just alternative to GitHub, and it has some other like benefits from GitHub. Okay, so repositories are the foundation of Gitness. So like I already explained you like how you create repositories and other things. You can collaborate with other people. You can give ownership, you can give roles to other people in Gitness. Okay, if you have working in a team, then user settings, I'm already tell you about the user settings and other things. So this is a lot, this is all about this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and bye bye, we will meet in next video.